got go from the commander.
Alright, y'all ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's a lid! Look at the lid!
Hey, my truck!
That thing was up there.